Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing something super fun and really useful if you're just starting to learn German. We're going to dive into the world of fruits. Knowing these words is fantastic for grocery shopping, ordering at a cafe, or just talking about your favorite foods. We'll go through 20 common fruits, and I will not only give you the German word, but also help you with the pronunciation and the correct article. Der, die, or das. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, a classic, the apple. In German, it's der Apfel. Der Apfel. Notice the A has an umlaut, making it an EPF sound. Apfel. Can you say it? Der Apfel. Super common and a great word to know. Next we have the banana. This one is pretty easy for English speakers. It's die Banane. Die Banan. The pronunciation is very similar. Just stretch that A sound a little. Banane. Easy, right? Moving on to a citrus favorite, the orange. Again, it's very similar. In German we say die orange. Die orange. The G sound is a bit softer, almost like a J sound in English. Orangey. Give it a try. Die orange. Another tropical delight is the mango. And good news, it's die mango in German. Die mango. Just like in English, this is one of those wonderful words that you barely have to learn. Die mango. What about a bunch of grapes? In German, grapes are die Trauben. Die Trauben. This is a plural word, as Trauben means grapes. A single grape would be die Traube. The O sound is like ow in cow. Trauben. Die Trauben. Let's head to the tropics again with pineapple. This one is die Ananas. Die Ananas. It looks a bit different, but the sound is quite beautiful. Ananas. Almost the same pronunciation back and forth. Die Ananas. Now for a sweet little red fruit, the strawberry. In German, it's die Erdbeer. Die Erdbeere. This word literally translates to earth berry. Erde means earth and Beer means berry. Erdbeere. Die Erdbeere. Isn't that cool? On a hot summer day, nothing beats a watermelon. The German word is also very descriptive. Die Wassermelone. Die Wassermelone. Wasser is water, and melone is melon. Watermelon. It makes perfect sense. Wassermelone. Let's try another tropical fruit, the papaya. This is another easy one. It's die papaya. Die papaya. Exactly the same spelling and very similar pronunciation. Just say it with a German flair. Die papaya. Next up, the cherry. In German, a cherry is die Kirsche. Die Kirsche. The ch sound here is soft, coming from the back of your throat. Kirsche. And sh is like osh in English. Die Kirsche. What about guava? This one is simple too. It's die Guave. Die Guave. Pronounced guave. It's not as common in Germany, but it's good to know. Die Guave. Now for a fruit with lots of seeds, the pomegranate. This is a longer word, but it follows a pattern we've seen. It's der Granatapfel. Der Granatapfel. Remember der Apfel? Let's go back to a more common fruit, the pear. A pear in German is die Birne. Die Birne, the I and Ari are pronounced clearly. Birne. Die Birne. How about the little blue ones? Blueberries. In German they are called die Blaubeer. Die Blaubeer. Blau means blue and Bier is berry. Blueberry, Blaubeere. Sometimes you'll also hear die Heidelbeer, which is another common name for it. Next is the fuzzy green fruit, the kiwi. And guess what? It's die Kiwi in German. Die Kiwi, Kiwi. Just like how we say it. Super simple. Die Kiwi. Time for something sour. The lemon. A lemon is die Zitrone. Die Zitrone. The Z at the beginning makes a ite sound. It's citrone, die Zitrone. What about a fuzzy summer fruit, the peach? This one has a tricky sound. It's de Pfirsich. De Pfirsich. That P-ev sound at the beginning is quick, like a puff of air. Pfirsich. The ending ish is a soft sound from your throat. De Pfirsich. Practice that one a few times. And the cousin of the peach, the plum. A plum is die Pflaume. Die Pflaume. Again we have that PF sound. Pflaume. The O sounds like ow. Die Pflaume. Let's crack open a coconut. The German word is Die Kokosnuss. Die Kokosnuss. It's just cocoa and nut put together. Nuss means nut. Kokosnuss. Die Kokosnuss. And finally, for our 20th fruit, the fig. In German, a fig is Die Feige. Die Feige. The A makes an I sound, and the G is soft at the end. Feige. Die Feige. And there you have it. 20 different fruits in German. Let's do a super quick recap. Der Apfel, die Banane, die Orange, die Mango, die Trauben, die Ananas, die Erdbeere, die Wassermelone, die Papaya, die Kirsche, die Guave, der Granatapfel, die Birne, die Blaubeere, die Kiwi, die Zitrone, der Pfirsich, die Pflaume, die Kokosnuss and die Feige. How did you do? Which words were new to you? And which ones were surprisingly easy? Let me know in the comments below. Practice them out loud, maybe even label some fruits in your kitchen. It's a great way to make the vocabulary stick. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more German lessons. See you in the next video. Tschüss!